I've built for myself a special tools. One of these tools is a title generator. I've been using this for a very long time and I had a quite good success. Today is a Sunday, so I'm not going to the container to pick up the orders. I was actually pretty much all day home trying to arrange this mess behind me without any success basically. But instead of showing you the orders, I will show you today how I preparing my listing, especially titles, which are very important in the eBay. Titles are very important part of eBay listings, which helping you with being visible on the eBay search results. Titles need to be SEO-rich, so all the 80 characters which eBay allowing us to use, first 4 words are most important. That's what the eBay is saying, along with the description with all the specific details about the item. Okay, so let me show you how the extension looks like. I will search for toothbrush heads, and as you can see on my extension, I've got some additional information shown on the screen. This is something that helping me to see how all listings are ranked, how many items per day get sales. So in this case 78 items has been sold within the last 11 days. Someone sold 107 items in 47 days since 7th April, which is 2.5 item a day. This one is quite cool. Someone sold 103 items in the last 7 days. That's quite good. 14, almost 15 items a day. This is even better. It's selling like 17 items a day, 105 items in the last 6 days. That's quite crazy. This Chrome extension helped me to get all this information. But let's go to the title creation. As I said, the most important on eBay are first 4 words in the title. I'm using this extension to find the best listings, and I'm just fetching the keywords that gave those, in my opinion, based on my algorithm, the advantage over the other ones. When I press this, I'm just getting optimized title here. This optimized title is taking the first 10 listings which are on the screen now and calculating based on the number of sales per day and taking the keywords and giving me this title. Once I've got the title, I can click on that title and the title is copied into the clipboard. I can then paste this onto my listing. But I can click this sort checkbox. As you can see, I have rearranged those search results based on amount of items sold per day. I think this is very important because we don't want to see this one has 1,876 items sold since probably beginning of the listing, but this item recently has more sale than this one, and I think this is more important for us. Okay, so let's see this in action now. I've got this sorted now with the most sellable items per day, and then let's click the show optimized listing title. The listing title looks slightly different because he took the current order of the listings. So now I can go on to my listings, and because I'm selling this as well, I will go on to this item which has only 66 views, and I will change this into that optimized title, and we'll see how this will look like after a couple of days. Obviously I need to change a little bit the title, because this is giving us only the idea which keywords are working best for those items, but obviously we need to tweak a little the title to make sense. So I will move this onto here, and that's it. I'm gonna save this, and that's it, all done. That's how I am working on my listings. I'm using my extensions, which are helping me to generate and analyze the current market. So this listings has not many, only few sales in the last 3 months. This is also one of the extensions I'm using. On the 18th of May they sold 4-pack of white with a special offer. What is the special offer now? 5% off. 5% off, and they, in the last couple of days, look, they're selling a lot of items. So this is basically it for today. I'll show you how I'm using my Chrome extension to generate the title. If you like this kind of a content, let me know. Subscribe, hit the bell button, like, and all this usual stuff. I will be much appreciated. And leave a comment if you want to see some other of my extensions that help me. In the meantime, subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Take care.